Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread jam roll, full guide. Tear 4 slices of bread and flatten each with a rolling pin. Spread 2 tablespoons of jam evenly, roll tightly, seal edges with a dab of butter or egg wash. Then pan fry in 1 tablespoon of oil or bake until golden and crisp. Drain on paper towel, slice and serve warm. Enjoy the simple treat with tea or coffee. Prepare fillings and tools before you start to keep assembly smooth and fast. If using cream cheese, soften it slightly to spread thinly and evenly. Keep jams measured and use a small spoon to control portions, so rolls seal properly. Use a dab of butter or egg wash to secure edges, and rest rolled pieces briefly before frying or baking to maintain shape and prevent leaks. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical cooking guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money fits perfectly with learning simple skills and building confidence in the kitchen. I mention a popular title I love, and you can find the link in the description along with other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Decide whether you want a crisp pan-fried result or a lighter baked roll based on your preference. For pan frying, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and cook each roll until both sides are golden, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. For baking, place rolls on a lined tray and bake at 375 degrees F for roughly 10 to 14 minutes until golden. Let cool slightly before slicing to maintain filling position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.